me some examples of sphere which you have familiar to your daily life. Tell me some examples of sphere which you are familiar to in our daily life. Tell me. Yes, football. Football is a shape of it. So, and that point is called center of the sphere. That point is called center of the sphere. And that line, that is radius of the sphere. If I denote it, the center denotes A and P. So OP equal to R. And similarly, that line OQ equal to also R. So diameter equal to 2R, radius equal to R. Diameter equal to 2R, radius equal to R. And now, what is the curved surface area? First of all, we will discuss about curved surface area, that is CSA. Okay, here that surface area, I think it will be better. And total surface area, what will be the total surface area? Total surface area formula of sphere, that is total surface area. Yes, globe is also an example of sphere. Total surface area, that is 4 pi r square. Okay, that is 4 pi r square. And what is the volume? Volume of a sphere, that is 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, that is the total surface area and volume of sphere to 4 pi r square and 4/3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. Where r is the radius of the sphere. Now, here if I cut by a knife in the middle, so it will just form this type of that is the half part. Here is the center, that is radius r. Do you know what is called that type of shape? What is name? That type of shape's name, do you know? Anyone? Answer in the chat box quickly. Yes, hemisphere. That type of shapes are called hemisphere. Okay. And what is the surface area? In this case, two area covered. That area is surface area and that is plane area. So total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere equal to, first of all, this portion, total sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and this is the half portion, so that is 2 pi r square. Okay, that is 2 pi r square, and that portion, that is a plane, and it is also a circle. If radius is r, that circle area is pi r square. So area, total surface area of hemisphere, that equal to 3 pi r square. Okay, that is 3 pi r square. And what is the volume? Total sphere, that is 4/3 pi r cube. Then half sphere, it will be divided by 2. So 4/3 pi r cube by 2, 2 to 2 and 4 reduce, 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, that is 2/3 pi r cube. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Any problem regarding this formula? Total surface area 4 pi r square, volume 4/3 pi r cube, total surface area of hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square, and volume of the hemisphere, that is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay. So these are the basic formula of sphere. Now we will get into the exercise, that is 13.4. Okay, so 13.4. First, find the surface area of the sphere when radius equal to 10.5 centimeter. In the question number 1, there is three parts. I will solve only one part. Okay, remaining two you will solve at your home. So radius equal to, question number 1, 10.5. Find the surface area. Quickly solve it. Who will first solve? I want to see. No sir. Okay. If r equal to 10.5 centimeter, that is radius equal to 10.5 centimeter, then what will be the surface area? Solve quickly. Ronit Dotto 1386. Anyone else? Well done, Ronit Dotto. Amrita 1386. Very good. Anyone else? Rajanna, what is your answer? Samrat. Okay, very good. Rajanna, your answer. I am waiting for your answer. How many students are there? Is 9 students in the call and I have got only 3 answers. Okay. So I have solved the first portion, that is the first sum answer, that is 1386. Now second sum, that is when r equal to 14 centimeter, what will be the surface area? That is 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. 22 by 7 into r square. So that is r square means 14 into 14. Very easy calculation. That is 7, 2, 8, 4 2 are 8 into 22 into 14. Now Ronit Dotto, Ronit, Amrita, Rajanna, I think they are wrong. Also Nafisa, how you will get 616 when radius equal to 14 centimeter? How you will get? Amrita, correct the answer. 2.1. I have not solved 2.1. That is r equal to 14 centimeter. I have not said that diameter equal to 14 centimeter. It will be 176. 176 means 1760 plus in 176 into 4. 176 into 4, that is 2464 centimeter square. 2464 centimeter square. Okay. Now third sum for me. When r equal to 7 centimeter, what will be the surface area? Solve it quickly. When r equal to 7 centimeter, what will be the surface area? When r equal to 7. Okay, I am checking it. That is 4 pi. 22 by 7 into r square. That is 7 into 7. Okay, So 486, that is 28. 28 into 22. So 28 means 56 into 56. 616. Okay. 616 is the answer. 616 is the answer. So students, I have solved the first part of the exercise number 13.1, 13.4, question number 1. Next I will move on. Question number 2. Question number 2, exercise number 13.4. Okay.